everyone, welcome back to my channel where I show you how to use Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suites, for your law firm. So today we're going to talk about permissions in your shared drive. So now that you've created your shared drive, you want to go ahead and manage the permissions by the people that you add. So I showed you in the last video how to create a shared drive. Today I'm going to show you how to manage those permissions. So if you wanted to go ahead and search up a name that's in your firm, you can go ahead and add that person or that group email that you probably created. And then you have this drop down option. We're going to go ahead and go through each one. So with viewer, this is where you're able to just give that person the permission to only view documents. They can't make changes. They can't do anything besides just read the document that you've given them, which may be excellent for clients that you may have, that you just want them to be able to view files that you added to their case, but not necessarily do any alter any changes. The next thing you have is commenters, which allows them to add comments to the file. My other video on how to add comments to file, you can see that video. And there you're able to give them the permission to add the comments and maybe put in a suggestion to make changes. Let's say, for example, you have a client and they want to put a comment saying, hey, this actually happened on this date, or this is my accurate address. Whatever the case may be, you can easily let them comment and you'll be the one to make the changes, or your paralegal. Then you have contributors. So this is someone that's able to add and edit files. So this can either be your paralegal or your legal assistant. They can go ahead and add in certain files that may come in when things are filed into court, and they're saved in the case file. They can go ahead and add those files. And do keep in mind, the contributor also can make changes to files. So if you don't want the person to make changes, you can just make them commenter or viewer. Then you also have content manager. This person actually can move documents to another folder, or they can also delete files. So if you don't want necessarily those on the team to be able to delete files easily, you can go ahead and just add them to contributor. Maybe giving content manager permissions to team leads, maybe those in the department, whether it's pre-litigation or litigation, you can give them that right. And then, of course, manager, which usually is the IT admin, or maybe the principal attorney or the solo attorney. If you're that person, you can go ahead and consider yourself the manager, and that way you can manage the settings. And of course, you also have the option to remove that person as well. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit and change the settings on your shared drive, and I hope this video helps you.